Kia ora guys, Caesar here with the cable car. Last week we came to you at the beginning of our annual maintenance shutdown, and I'm really happy to report that we are on track and we expect to be open on Saturday the 8th of August. Since I've spoken to you last, the Bogie's made its way out of the Kelburn terminal through to Acme Engineering here in Petone, and it's what you see behind me.
Hello, I'm Lloyd from Acme Engineering, and I've been working on the Bogie refurbishment for the Wellington cable car. When the Bogie arrived at Acme, we stripped the entire Bogie, everything was cleaned and tested. We're in the process now of reassembling the Bogie, and then it'll all be set up.
We go through a process of testing. Now we obviously can't cut anything in half to see how it is inside, so they shine some light. There's a process to have a look at if it's structurally sound, and if they find anything, little cracks or anything that they're worried about, they can hone in on those spots. Those parts have been tested, they've all passed, and now they're being put back together, and that's the Bogie that will be replaced in car number 2. So apart from testing all of the parts to make sure that they're safe, we once in a while will find ourselves having to replace different parts.
A lot of parts for the Wellington cable car Bogie are not able to be sourced here in New Zealand, so we have to produce them here at Acme Engineering. We start with the raw materials and the original cable car Bogie drawings and machine them to give us the final product.
And it just shows you the amazing craftsmanship and talent that goes into keeping these Bogies well maintained, serviced and safe to use. Apart from the work that's been done to refurbish the Bogies, we've done some routine maintenance on the bridges, that's been completed. We've had some maintenance work on the tracks. About a dozen sleepers have been replaced, that's completed. The cars have been cleaned inside and out. So we're now in the process of doing our annual checks, and we'll do all of our safety testing, and we should be on track to open on Saturday, the 8th of August. We're going to come to you with some really cool reopening weekend promotions, so stay tuned on our Facebook page and get all the details, and we'd love to see you there in a couple of weekends.